I guess we won't swim today, but the sunset is beautiful. Yeah. Miu, I am sorry for what happened this morning. But when you told Johnny I was your girlfriend, you sounded so convincing and I just... Sorry, I know it was inappropriate. Don't worry about it. You've always been my best friend and I've known you for so long. But this wasn't something I expected. To be honest, though, I kinda liked it. Huh? But did you do it just to help me, or is there some different reason? I am risking losing my best friend, but I have to say it. I've never felt like this about anyone else before. You're so smart, confident, kind, and so beautiful. I couldn't imagine if some Big Johnny or anyone else took you away from me. Sorry if I'm being weird now. I wanted to help you back there, but also I took advantage of that situation. If I could do it again, though, I would. The truth is, I want to be more than your friend. I love you, Miu. I've always have. Huh? Whoa, Rin, I don't know what to say. No one will take me away from you, and you definitely won't lose me. I don't care about Johnny. Now he thinks we're dating anyway. This happened so quickly, and I think I need some time, but I have these feelings too. Oh, Miu. I can't breathe.